Good morning, scholars. Welcome back. We're going to be looking at the number line and how to use the number line to add and subtract. What do we mean by the number line? Now, our number system runs from infinity to infinity. And what on earth do we mean by from infinity to infinity? Well, infinity in mathematics is a concept. That means that numbers go on and on and on and on and on forever, but not only positive numbers, also what we call negative numbers that are less than 0 also go to negative infinity. Now you don't have to worry yourself about that for now. You can focus on the positive numbers, but we use the number line to represent that continuum to show that numbers go on and on and on. Right? Now we're going to start our number lines at 0 because, as I said, at this level we're focusing on the positive numbers. But don't think that it ends at 0 here. It actually continues, and I should actually put in my arrows to show that it continues to negative infinity as well as to positive infinity, right? So I'm putting in my arrows that I forgot to put in, because the number line always continues in both directions. Alright, so putting in my arrows to indicate this goes on and on and on forever. For as long as you live, you will never be able to count to call all the numbers. You can count you learn how to count until you die. There will always be more numbers. Alright, so the idea when using the number line is if we're adding, we keep moving to the right. If we're subtracting, we keep moving to the left. And that's all there is. Now, when we start with a number, the idea is, remember, the counting numbers, these are natural numbers, counting numbers. So we start moving. The first natural number is 1, but we're actually going to indicate that we're starting from 0 and moving. So even if it says 4, we're actually starting from our 0 point to the 4 to represent that, okay, 4, and then we see what next we have to do. So it says 4 plus 6 plus 3, take away 11. So remember, adding, move to the right, that direction. Subtracting, move back that way. So 0 to 4, so that's 4. And then we add 6, so 4 plus 6, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, brings us to 10. Add 3 more, 1, 2, 3, brings us to 13. And now we're going to subtract 11, we're going back to the left. 11 from 13, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 2. 4 plus 6 plus 3, take away 11, gives 2. Alright, so let's just do these. It won't take us long, right? This is very basic stuff. But it's good for us to understand the principle, the concept of adding and subtracting. 5, so from 0 to 5. Take away 3, so moving back 1, 2, 3. And then we're adding 7, so from 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 take away 3 brings us to 2. And 2 plus 7 takes us to 9. This is how we show it on the number line. Alright, so 4 plus 2 plus 3. So 0 to 4, so that's 4 plus 2 more, 1, 2, plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3. That takes us to 9. See that? Very easy. 10 take away 6. So 0 to 10. And we're taking away, so we're going back to the left 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. And you know know these out of your head. I know you know these out of your head. Stop complaining. Stop saying that I'm giving you baby work. I hear you. I'm just showing you how to represent this on the number line. Okay, stop complaining that I'm giving you baby work to do. Alright, so now we have 5, take away 5, plus 5. So 0 to 5. And then take away 5, we move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brings us to 0. So 5 take away 5 brings us back to 0. And if we're going to add 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It brings us back to 5. So if we start with a number and we take away that number from itself and add back that number to itself, we end up back with the original number. That's cool, isn't it? Any number that you start with, take away the number from itself, bring it to 0, add back the number, it's going to bring it back to the original number. That makes sense, doesn't it? Alright, 3, so 0 to 3, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to take away 7, so we're moving back to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that takes us to 2. So 3 plus 6 brought us to 9, and then when we take away 7, it brings us to 2. Alright, so we have 5 more to go. Easy stuff, baby work. I know it's baby work. Alright, so 8 plus 1 plus 3. So it's 0 to 8, and then we add 1 more, and then 3 more would seem like it's taking us off the number line. But we know the number line doesn't end. So actually it will be what? 10, 11, 12. So you can do that one in your head, right? So just because I have them stopping at 10, remember there's an arrowhead saying, keep going in that direction. The numbers will never run out on you. There will always be more numbers for you to add. So just keep going. If you have to do it in your head, if you run out of space for the number line, there's a number line in your head. Your mental number line that you have to use. Alright, 9 take away 4. So it's from 0 to 9. And then we're going back to the left. We're taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That brings us to 5. Alright, 10 take away 3. And then we're going to add 5. So since we're taking away 3, so 0 to 10 first. Then we take away 3, we go back. 1, 2, 3 brings us to 7. And then we're adding 5 to that. From 7, we move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 12 again. Gone off the number line, but we still have the number line in our heads. And we know that it's going to be 12. 4 plus 4 plus 2, take away 6. Alright, so 0 to 4, that's the first one. Plus 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4 bring us to 8. Plus 2 more bring us to 10. And then we're going to take away 6, we're going to the left now, back that way, because we're taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 4. 4 plus 4 give 8, plus 2 give 10, and then take out the 6, bring us back to 4. Finally, 7 take away 7. So 0 to 7, that's the first move, right? 7. And then we're going to go back 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 takes us to 0. I know you already knew the answer. I know you're shouting and saying, Miss, why are you giving us this baby work? We know the answer already. I know you know the answer. I'm just saying, you have to know how to represent it on the number line, and this is how you do it, okay? Alright, my scholars, I know you are brilliant. I know you're loaded with potential, and if you keep practicing, your confidence will build, right? Keep doing the maths, keep working every day, and you will be so confident, and you'll be able to see that math is so easy to do, right? Very easy to do. So spread the word, share the video so others can benefit, and Even though it's baby work I give you today, still drop a line and say, Miss, thank you. Thank you for showing me how to show this on the number line, even though I already knew how to do it in my head, right? And share it so others can see. If you think of a topic that you don't see the catalog for yet, just let me know which topic you want me to do a video on. You know that I'm going to do it for you. Okay? And if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe now and click the bell so that you'll know when any other video is released, as soon as it's released, so you can stay on top of things. My beautiful scholars, beloved scholars, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.